भी बैच को भेजूं तो कोई भी विश्वास नहीं करेगा, nobody will believe that Suzy is this hard and taskmaster. In fact, हमारा जो wing था, our wing was notorious for being a misogynist wing. हमारे सिर्फ दारू पी के पड़े रहते थे, थोड़ा गांजा वांजा वगैरह चलता था, सब होता था हमारे हॉस्टल के विंग में. और जीपी का जो विंग था हमसे एक ऊपर, डी मेस एंड डी फर्स्ट. डी फर्स्ट में सारे एकदम फ्रेश, एकदम क्लीन, टेरिकॉट पैंट टेरिकॉट शर्ट पहनते. हमारे विंग में कोई कपड़े भी नहीं पहनते. और उसमें कौन कौन थे? 2, जीपी और निखिल. एकदम इसका तो एकदम एंटीथीसिस था. इसलिए 2 साल में निखिल ने शायद 2 साल में जीपी से एक बार भी, सॉरी सूजी से एक बार भी बात नहीं किया होगा. चांस ही नहीं है.
एक बार नोट छोड़ गया था रूम का.
मैं
गया था.
अच्छा तुम लेने गया होगा. अच्छा तो वापस छोड़ने गया होगा.
हाँ तो सर वो रूम के बाहर में सोने जा रहा हूँ.
निखिल रात को 9 बजे सो जाता था, सुबह 5:30 6 साढ़े 6 बजे ऐसे उठ जाता होगा. तो उसका नोट्स रात को 9 बजे से सुबह 6 बजे तक सर्कुलेशन में होता था. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि सुजी मस्ट बी द लास्ट रिसीवर एट 3 AM इन द मॉर्निंग. आई वुड हैव बीन टोल्ड सोने से पहले वहां छोड़ के आ जाना. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं 7 बजे उठता था और बाहर निकलता था अपने कमरे से, एंड आई वुड बी अमंग द अर्ली राइजर्स इन आवर विंग. तो उस टाइम निखिल टेरिकॉट पैंट, टेरिकॉट फुल स्लीव शर्ट, फुल भी बटन डाउन एंड लेदर चप्पल पहन के, नहा के, धो के, गीले बाल, चश्मा लगा के, ब्रेकफास्ट करके वापस लौट रहा होगा. उस टाइम हमारे लोग सोने जा रहे होते. तो मिसोजिनिस्ट बिकॉज हमारे विंग में शायद गलती से एक कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी, उसका नाम है नागराजश्री मोहन राव, वो हमारे विंग में आई. 2 साल में एक लड़की हमारे विंग में आई. कैंपेनिंग जीत चुकी थी शायद.
नहीं she was
बुक्स के कमरे में आई. नागू. One batchmate, she came to our wing, and there was this commotion, sensation. How did a girl enter our wing? And then
वो भी सबसे ठीक नहीं है वैसे. वो भी सबसे ठीक नहीं है.
He's doubting the girl.
नहीं मैं क्या वो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में होता है ना,
IT
बेच वाले अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं.
तो बेचारी आई तो
क्लासिफिकेशन ठीक नहीं है.
वो
IT की क्लासिफिकेशन बता रहा था मैं.
तो वो एक हमारे बैचमेट के रूम में गई. वो she went there to discuss. So promptly bunch of guys woke up and one of our batchmates was a pyromaniac. bombs बना देता था वीनू करके. तो उसने उस 5 मिनट में हमने तो अंदर जाके वापस आके दरवाजा बंद किया हमने थोड़ा सा नजदीक, और वो अगरबत्ती को बॉम्ब पर लगाकर, डिलेड ब्लास्ट वाला वो लगाकर तो वहाँ छोड़ दिया. तो सारे IT आए हुए थे, इंजीनियरिंग में सीखी हुई थी बॉम्ब बनाने की. तो ढॉम करके वो हुआ. उससे पहले तो आई नहीं थी लड़कियां, उसके बाद तो चांस ही नहीं था. तो उसका पूरा बदला सूजी को मिला. एंड यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज पुल हिज लेग कि हमने सूजी से पूरा बदला लिया जब हमने इसको IWS चिपकाया. जितनी औरतें इसने पूरे 25-30 साल में अवॉइड की, आई थिंक ही हैड सम 150 ऑल गिवन रिपोर्टेड. बीच में कहीं मोवार, कहीं गोपाल करुणाकरन, कहीं अर्जुन वाधवा दिख गए. वो थोड़े एक्सेप्शन.
PT टीचर मेरे साइड होता था. ऑल द
Okay. Priyanka, followed by our 3 little senior people, Sujata, Sharad and Piyush. Priyanka, come. Rachna also. Rachna, will please.
Few of the lucky ones who got to work in the direct mentorship of Sujit sir. And if I go with the style of working that he has, he always tells problem लेकर आए हो तो solution लेकर आना. Don't come to me with a problem only. So अपना perception change हो गया to deal with things, to handle the situations, and sir give you enough independence to work. आप बस काम करो, आके बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. I trust you. I know that you're doing the right thing, and just go ahead with it. I think very few people give that kind of independence to the team, and that helps a person to grow as an individual, as a team member, and every appraisal, the way sir said, कि appraisal में the kind of ideas he gives you to grow, to create your own path, that of different level itself. And this time I told sir कि sir आप जो ideas end में देते हो ना मुझे साल की starting में दे दिया करो. So I don't have to wait for one whole year to change myself. And I think I got only 2 years to work with him. It should have been more. We were thinking sir Feb में जाएंगे, थोड़ा time और मिलेगा. And then I also had this perception that sir शायद extension लेंगे. That I told you in the morning itself, sir extension ले लो, जा क्यों रहे हो? Said नहीं. So thank you so much sir. Your mentorship meant a lot to me. Thank you so much.
Otherwise, almost 99%
Right.
have cried. And I didn't do anything.
A year back only. So first time मैं भी 15-16 साल के बाद इंटरव्यू देने गया तो सुजी का व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज था कि स्टारबक्स कॉफी में आ जाओ, पानी बहुत बरस रहा है. स्टारबक्स में चलो. Then he said like that. तो जो एट्रीब्यूशन आपको दिए गए हैं अभी तक कि कोकोनट बेवड़ा या शराबी, तो ऐसा तो मेरे को नहीं मिला. आई वॉज वेरी कंफर्टेबल. मैं तो वो टिपिकली आई ऑल्सो थिंक इन बाइनरी, यस नो में ही आज ही करके आना है. तो सुजी से करीब 1-1.5 घंटे तक बात होता रहा. देन टॉक अबाउट प्रोफेशनल पर्सनल एवरीथिंग. मैं बाहर निकला तो जब एंटर हुआ तो आई वाज नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग इन माइंड कि किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. आई थॉट कि ठीक है एटेक में तो जाना का है, बट ज्वाइन करना नहीं करना है तो मेरा डिसीजन होगा बाद में. देन मैंने केम आउट. मैं कहा नहीं ये सही जगह है. बिकॉज आई एम काफ़ी एट्रीब्यूट्स हमारे मिल रहे थे जो हम लोगों ने जो है प्रॉब्ली कैरियर जब जावा से शुरू किया था, तो मैं भी 2000 में वही जावा लिख रहा था. तो सुजी ने बताया हमने भी वैसे ही लिखा है, स्टोर्ड प्रोसीजर और एक्ल. यही तो हमने शुरू किया. तो कुछ एट्रीब्यूट्स वहाँ से मैच हुए. तो उसके बाद देन आई मेट अगेन. तो वो जो कंफ्यूजन है सुजी वाला, तो वो तो मेरे को भी हुआ था एक बार बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट नोइंग. तो आई थिंक वो जो नंदन खाली वाला एक मीटिंग में थे, तो सत्या ने बोला कि सुजी विल अटेंड विथ यू AIML वाला सेशन. तो सुजाता का नाम थोड़ा मैच ज्यादा होता है सुजी से. तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है. मैंने को फिर मैं आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग व्हाई सुजाता विल अटेंड. ठीक है पता नहीं शायद. देन when I joined, I later came to know. मैं इसी confusion में था. Probably you will attend that. ठीक है. After joining, I came to know कि Suzy is your nickname. 1 महीने तक तो मैं आपका ही नाम सोचता तो सेकंड जो कोकोनट का तो कभी मिला नहीं, because I always enjoyed. You were my mentor. तो जो भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, you are my first go-to person. तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है, whatever I want to do any discussion, especially टेक में है, कुछ भी नया कुछ करना है तो सुजी. 8 months का ही जर्नी है मेरा. तो 8 months में he has guided me on lot of places. और आपकी mentorship तो चाहिए, and we continue to do that in future also.
So I think the closest I worked with sir was during the COVID period. Then we all went online suddenly, and there was a very interesting incident that all the category managers, Ravi, Teja, Saptarshi, and we were given a task ki, और ये भी हुआ कि every month MPC will be reviewed by sir only, and sir had this aura about कि tough है, and GV used to be all in sales and all, तो इतना कभी हुआ नहीं. लेकिन ये सब जब PPT की बारी आती थी कहते कि सर आ जाओ जरा PPT पे. तो we were given a task, and next day we were supposed to present upon the journey on how a person needs to go through and visits and website and all, and we have this data how to take it to a logical conclusion to enrollments and all. So कुछ तो हमने design किया. We were but we were not able to do it. I mean, in terms of how to technically present it. मैंने कहा डरो मत, जो है intent दिखाएंगे अगले दिन, and if जो है सर होगा So we were all, for the first time, we all decked up in formals. And तो पहले तो ये हुआ कि नीचे से पजामा तो नहीं पहना हुआ पैंट किसी ने, but we were literally, we were not ready as if it was a real, physical presentation we were making. We were all present in silence. ऐसे start हुआ तो I kind of started with, that how the journey needs to be done. Said Navneet, अच्छा ये कैसे हुआ, वो कैसे हुआ, and धीरे धीरे मैं थोड़ा confused होना start, and he could sense it. First 10 minutes, but he could see the intent when he saw in the slides. And because one thing I think everyone can vouch out for that fact is that he is very much pertinent to data. So when he saw that the intent was there and everything, next 40 minutes there was a monologue, and we were making copious notes. And review khatam bhi ho gaya, and for next 1 hour we were still there in that particular G Meet or Zoom, all 4 of those category managers, the product managers and me. And saying, "Acha, ab isko leke chalta." That kind of inspiration that he used to inspire us, So very few individuals who seriously black or white, which I also personally like, either 0 hota hai or 1 hota hai. This him. Thank you, sir.
So I think I'm the last batsman who's coming to walk. I'll just start off from what Manish said. Manish said that his acquaintance with you or his relationship or association has been a short one. Mine is even shorter than that, little over 5 months. But I'll we've had very few I'll say interactions, but very rich ones, and there are I think 3 that I would just want to talk about because those I will surely carry in my heart. So the first one was my final interview was with you, and I went home and I said mera hoga nahi, so let me I'll just keep looking on for some other options, because I think that was pretty I'll say not a very easy interview that we kind of went through. And after that I walked out saying that CL is not going to happen. So that was the first one. But the second one was I think was a very different one. Was a very, I'll say, very dear one also, because I think the second one was in the AVR when you and I think Mo, you were walking out of the that conference that we had. In fact, the dress show, the Bollywood theme that, and me and there was some other drunk gentlemen sitting in this room, who were singing a lot of songs, just outside. I think the booze was doing its job, and you and Mo, both of you had joined us for some time. It was almost for about 15-20 minutes, and I think it was great fun. I think we kind of really tormented you with us singing, but I think you really joined in, and so that was one interaction which was very, very special one. And I'll say the last one was that when you had come for the boot camp on the second day, when we had the workshop, when we had feedback on basically it was on perceptiveness and focus. So there you gave a lot of very, I'll say, very pertinent and very valuable input. So it was a very rich session, and you added your value to it. So that I think these were 3 which kind of really stand out. And all that I would like to say is that wish you all the best for the journey ahead. I think, and we look forward to as part of sales system keep interacting with you and keep learning. And that's it.
Sir, I remember meeting Sujit sir. He was my second gatekeeper to CF. My first gatekeeper was Ashish sir. So he was listening to me for 40-45 minutes. He didn't ask me a lot of questions. I was talking about my experiences from my previous company, how I handled data sets, about my experiences that I like to convert everything to 1 and 0. Probably that is the reason why I think Sujit sir liked what I was saying, because Sujit sir was also 1 and 0. So he was listening to me, and then he asked me a very fundamental question. What है कि ये बात कर रहा है, let me ask him this. And that fundamental question, if you don't answer it, everything is neglected. So, and that fundamental question I was working on when I was making that data set. So when I heard that question, then I said, oh my God, I really like this, and I answered that question. So सुजीत सर के साथ ज़्यादा मेरा इंटरेक्शन हुआ नहीं है, काफ़ी एक दो बार ही हुई है. Second time On his personal front, he likes music. I have a thing of listening to things that are very obscure that nobody else listens to. So I was meeting him in our strategy meet. I told Sujit sir, sir, have you heard of this guy? Ingvar Malmsteen, some Swedish guy. He said, oh, I listen to him. I'm a big fan of him. So that's why I said, oh my god, he is also an amazing music lover and I can connect with him a lot. सुजित सर के अंदर ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि कि साइड हट जाओ सुजित सर आ रहे. Always wanted to go and talk to him, always wanted to connect with him. Couple of times I went into his meeting to meet him and I got some amazing insights and I thought कि I need to interact with Sujit sir more to learn more. So yes sir, जब सुजाता मैम ने मैसेज किया तो I said, oh, I would have loved to learn more from him, but I wish you all the best.
In the Aspire. Yeah. So when Piyush had suggested us to get some advice from you while we were working on the website, so that was the only interaction we had. But we knew that there is a big father figure somewhere who is looking after all the technical things, and should you have any query, anything in digital and IT, there is one person to go after. So that's how I always knew you. But in that interaction, you asked a couple of questions which even now he was along with me. So even now, those are things with us. So it confirms the things which other people have said. So thank you very much, sir.
I just got a chance to meet sir once, in the same meeting that was related to website. So I really liked one thing about sir was we were discussing on few things and Sujit sir came and then he asked few questions and that was point on that have we thought of these 3 things? Okay, then I was like, okay, yeah, we missed on these things. And that was the point that I really liked, that is, he knew that from a digital, I would say, digital marketing point of view and from a tech point of view, both these angles are one thing which I really liked in that interaction. So thank you, sir.